And our last function that we are going to be coding is the submit function to, like check to submit the user's answer and to check whether, it actually matches. So let's just grab in a function block over here and we'll call this submit answer. So now we need to first check if the correct answer variable and the user answer variable match. So if variable right answer and user answer, like if they are equal to each other, then we are going to set the image, our GIF images picture to grab in a text block over here. If you are using a URL instead of an uploaded asset, then you need to use a text block. So I'm going to just copy that in there. And then we want to I said we wanted to change our the answer labels uh, font color, text color to uh, green if it was correct. So just take that green. And otherwise, however, you want to set the GF to wrong for one. So I'll just drag in that wrong GF and change the color. Now what we are going to do is give it like a 1 second break and then display the actual correct answer. So color to red, and now we want to say wait, let's just say 1.5 seconds, and then set our user answer labels text to actual correct answer. So variable right answer. And now to display that it is the correct answer, we're going to change the GIF's picture to the correct image. And then we are going to change the text color also to green to indicate that this is the correct answer. And then after 2.5 seconds, we're going to wipe it all out and create a new question. After 2 seconds, function create and display questions. Now I've noticed another thing. In our first function, create and display question, we completely forgot to wipe out the image once a new question is created. And we also forgot to reset user answer to 0. So let's go and do those right now. So set GIF. GIF is just the name of the image. We're going to set it to blank text block, and we're also going to set user answer to something blank to 0. And that's done it, I guess. So let's just go ahead and see if it works. My bad. I've been foolish. I've forgotten to completely, call into play that submit function when the submit button is clicked. Otherwise, it won't work, you see. So when submit is clicked, then we need to call into play that function. Make sure it's, saved completely. 91 plus 60, that would be 151. 151, submit. Yep, that's correct. Look at it. And 86 plus 17, I'm just going to make it go wrong just for the sake, and 12. Wrong. And then after some time, it's changing to 103. The GIF isn't changing, but we can fix that in our own time. For the GIF, I just forgot to replace the changed GF with the correct one. So we can just do that right now and it should work. So 96 plus 58 would be 154. Um, yep, that's correct. And now for a wrong question, I'll just do 12 again. No, it's 12. And now it's changing to the correct GIF and displaying the correct answer. I think I should give it more time to, display the correct answer. So I'll change it to like 3.3 seconds should be enough. Cool. Let's test it out. See if it's enough. Yes, it gives the user enough time to, see the correct question. Cool. That's that then.